Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa, ko Erin Hupatakuingoa. I'm a teacher at Cornwall Park School and I am involved in both the writing and oral language initiatives. The writing initiative has been about collaborative professional development across 3 schools, Auckland Normal Intermediate, Mangawhao and Cornwall Park District School. We were interested in looking closely at what research told us were the most effective pedagogical approaches to writing. The core components of our work were the teaching as inquiry cycle, extending teacher content knowledge, and collaborating by using professional learning group model. John Hattie's research was used as a provocation to challenge our teachers to look more closely at what they usually do, and then asking them how they know that what they do is effective. This led to further research and rich discussions within PLGs as teachers asked more and learnt more about what works best. So what have we done? We've had across-school meetings for networking and sharing of ideas. Each school has had cycles of observation and critical feedback between the teachers. And in term 3, we provided an afternoon of shared PD, which included input from outside providers. Some important areas that were covered at this included transitioning writers from one school sector to another, and the role that oral language plays in developing skilled writers. So, what's made a difference? Teachers from across our 3 schools have shared their current writing programs and their hunches relating to challenges with their target students. This resulted in some rich discussion on the similarities and differences across our schools. The writing initiative has given our teachers opportunities to reflect on their practice, try out new approaches, develop their professional knowledge, and then reflect again. So what do the students say? Well, Hattie challenges us to consider that the most valuable feedback for our teaching is what comes back to us from our students, because this allows teachers to see learning through the eyes of their students and to answer that question, were they learning what I was teaching? Having all the schools across our kahui ako use professional learning groups as the context to investigate and refine teacher practice has been really powerful. Initially, some teachers struggled to narrow their inquiries so the focus was genuinely responsive to student need. Our in-school leaders were invaluable in working alongside teachers, supporting them through this process of change, although strengthening this skill remains a goal for future work. As to what's made a difference, linking each teacher's personal inquiry to their professional learning has been highly successful, especially in terms of teacher engagement. Equally powerful has been the collaboration within and across schools, with many teachers asking for this to be regularly planned for in the future. And attached to our slide are some useful links for research and evidence.